Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading the poem called The Inspiration You Need from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The Inspiration You Need. The reason you feel envious of an individual isn't because of the greater success or greater perspective. It isn't because you don't measure up and you cannot attain their success. It's because you're overly critical of yourself and you're too focused on all the reasons you can't. When you realize we all come from the same source and we're all made up of the same energy that creates worlds, envy vanishes. For you know, whatever one has achieved, you can achieve as well, or you can achieve greater. And you know, those success stories can be the very indicators and inspiration you need for your own achievements and untapped potential. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I'd like to take a moment with you now and think about what you're grateful for today. If you're able, close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife, my home, my kitties. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.